everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. All you when you ride on over here, let me extend to you a special welcome. Thank you so much for making it West Indian delights. All old time, long time, holla, family members who were there with me from the beginning. Manners and respect. Now today, so I want to know one here with the whole heap of breadfruit them, man. Sure. Hello, I'm bringing to you something that I know you're going to embrace in foreign land. I'm bringing to you something that I know will be of success. Now, we have a video on the channel. We have two videos showing you how to roast breadfruit. One with me out in a me yard, they are going with all kind of pastoral with the hood and the breadfruit, and you don't have that facility to do that in foreign. No, you don't. And there's another one that shows you how you can do it indoors on your stove. Some of you, I think, would embrace that. Some of us, I know some of us still embrace that, especially the younger people. And I want to bring to you today another version of roasting the breadfruit. It was, somebody just said it to me, and let me say, oh, this don't make no sense. So she said, try it, man, try it. So we're gonna do it stove top version. But so this is a really big breadfruit. So what I did, I took out the stem. You have to take out the stem. But go to the channel. We're gonna leave for you in the description of the video the method of roasting on the stove top. So I took out the stem. You gotta take out the stem first, and you're gonna go there. So mine was out, and we have the grass. Nice clean pretty stove. And we are going to foil wrap this breadfruit. The person who told me didn't say how many layers of foil, but me think the more the merrier. Hold on. I would say the more the merrier. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna be wrapping this breadfruit, and I would suggest you give it about 2 to 3 layers with on the thick good foil that is thick, the thick one. I don't know what is happening here, but something happening here, so in a right from my end. Okay, so I can get right now. So we're gonna be foil wrapping this breadfruit properly. And this part here is hiding. No, it's showing, I'm sorry. So we're gonna need a little piece more. So what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna go in depth. Try to make sure you can find where the opening, here's the opening, yeah, right here. The top, try to crop it that you can find the top and the bottom, okay? This foil is a little thickish. Good foil is. So we're going to cover this breadfruit. Some people say they do it in the oven. I've never done it, but I see people do it in the oven, just put the breadfruit in there. But because I'm a breadfruit expert, I'm a band and girl sent me and I know the breadfruit thing, when it come out it dry. So I guess you can wrap it in a foil paper and put it in the oven too. But this here, it is a stove foil wrap, stove top roast breadfruit. We are going to look, we are going to go on, we are going to see, we are going to go along. I'm not going to go in depth, just like all the other one is on the channel. You just follow it, turning from side to side. Now for the people with the electric stove. Some people were asking when we did the stove top version if we could show. I don't have an electric stove. So if you want to try, but try and see what happens if you can. Once the heat is going through, then I think you can do it like this on the electric stove. And if you try it and it works, you can come in. So you're going to cover your breadfruit all nice. You're going to pop your stove on. Medium. Mine, the ice on mine is 6. So I'm going to put it at 3. So if you have a stove like mine, You can put it on 3, and this is gas. So we're gonna put it here. This breadfruit is really humongous. It's a big breadfruit. Well, it big, because we have breadfruit in Jamaica, even more huger than that. But so good, that's a good breadfruit. So I'm gonna let it go for 30 minutes on this side, and then come back for when it's gone for 30 minutes. I'll come back to show you how you do it. Okay? If your breadfruit is smaller, I think you'd want to go like probably 15 minutes, because the smaller the breadfruit is the easier it grows. So look here. When we're ready to turn it over upon the next side, we are gonna come and we're gonna show you. And then from there, I'll show you. You just follow the method, turning it from side to side and all of that. So we're just gonna come back to show you one time, or you turn it from after 30 minutes with this size breadfruit. I don't know how much the breadfruit weigh, you see? We don't weigh breadfruit in the, okay, if you buy it in the supermarket, but you'd have to buy it by the kilo. But I don't have a clue of how much time to how much pound, because I don't know how the breadfruit, how much this breadfruit weight. But 30 minutes on the top where you, this is the first part where you got the stem from. Make sure they don't pan that. On number 3, if you have a stove like mine, or on medium, so come. Okay, now this is the breadfruit right where we left it. So if I'm not sure if the camera will pick up the steam, you realize that there's a steam building up under the foil paper there, and I think this is what is going to help to roast the breadfruit really fast. Now it has been about 35 minutes, and we're just going to come right here. Please be careful, get your equipment, your protection, okay? So we're going to go right over. This is the bat, so we're going to turn it on the other side. Let it sit. When you go to that breadfruit video, it will show you all of that, how you to select the breadfruit, to give them a shot at the foil camera girl. Let them look at the foil and all of that. This is what is happening. So when you go to that stovetop breadfruit, the other one that I roast with the unwrapped, you will see how you choose and why and all of them sitting there. Okay, so when we return, you're not see back again, you know. When we return, you're just gonna use the same method. The only thing you're doing here is wrapping the breadfruit in the foil. So when you see us next, this breadfruit should be finished. We are gonna unwrap it from the foil. We're gonna look at it, and of course we are gonna peel it and let you see what is happening or what has happened. I want to show you the success right here on West Indian Delights. Okay, family, so our breadfruit is ready, and the size of this breadfruit, I think it took me, I was trying to the time, I think it was about 50 minutes, the size of this breadfruit. So what you want to do, the very first thing, because you don't know what is happening under there, you know, you don't know. Why, when it is wrapped, you don't know. You want to take your time and you want to feel it. Be careful though. First thing you realize, it's soft. When you put it in, it was hard. Okay, this is the top. So you want to put your knife down in there, and then it comes out clean, as I showed you on the one that is not wrapped. Now we're going to remove it from the stove top. Look at the foil, look at the wrapping. It is soft, be careful all over. So what we want to do now, we want to remove this foil. I don't know, and be careful because a lot of steam has been trapped under there. So you be careful now, because you're going to need to peel off your breadfruit. So you have to remove the foil with that amount of steam, high level of steam that has been trapped under there, to let it cool down. I want to show you now, because more you see what the breadfruit looks like. You see? Okay, so you notice the heat never do the foil, not anything. So I'm suggesting that you who has your electric stove can try. Now, this is the finished product, but you don't mind this, you know, because this thing is that you don't take no stop with this. See it? It's soft. But look here, we're going to leave it to cool, probably about 15 to 20 minutes, because we've got to come back to get it all peeled. Okay? Sides are soft, so my hand is sinking a heat. Now, I was thinking of giving to the people who had electric stove the oven version with the foil wrap on it. But since I was thinking of that, because when I saw how they did it in the oven and it came up dry, I said, no sir, that's for years now, not now, just for years. So I didn't really embrace that one. But this, I've embraced it. So we're leaving it to cool. You see the steam coming out of it, so we have to leave it for cool. So look here, when we return, inside here is really hot though. And all of that, I see me well clad in a black. We're gonna come back, peel it, open out this breadfruit, yeah, take out the heart of it, and show you it's a perfectly roasted breadfruit. Okay family, it's not properly cooled, but I'm gonna be peeling for you. You wait until yours is properly cooled. Okay, I'm gonna rest it on the towel, and this is how I would peel my breadfruit. I'm gonna have my garbage here, and I would put my knife. I showed you all of this, and I would go around to take this out. And let me tell you something. When you see somebody peeling a breadfruit like this, it means that they're an expert at peeling a roasted breadfruit. You see them take it down to the side. Hold on, let me get going. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna go around as if I'm peeling an orange, but it's gonna be more technical because it's bigger than the orange. So I'm gonna go around like this until I come to the end. Okay? Okay now family, now that we have it peeled, this is what it looks like. And let me tell you, the very first thing, it is a beauty to be free from all that black. Because you know, say me a real St. Mary woman, me a breadfruit, me a Jamaican woman. It is really breathtaking to be free from all the black. Okay? So what you're gonna do now, this breadfruit is a little biggish breadfruit, you know. Because in Jamaica, breadfruit and big. You're gonna open it right down. You see how the knife is going down in there? That means your breadfruit is properly roasted, properly cooked, whatever you want to do. Come now again, right down in there, properly cooked, properly roasted. Okay, I want to use this. Okay, I want to show you to take. I did all of that, you know, on the other video. So I want to get out this part. So you're gonna come here. You can use the serrated knife. You see it's gliding through. Once your knife is gliding through right here, the breadfruit is roasted. When you come right here and you have problem with the knife going through, the breadfruit is not roasted, baby. No make nobody fool you. Once the knife cannot glide right through, the breadfruit is not fully cooked. Okay? So now there is what you have. When I have to slice it up, when I have to do nothing, it is soon, it is, okay, it's almost in your face. Not almost, it is in your face. I'm sorry. Okay, soon come back. Go dry my face, family. So there you have it. And I know this is for you all who wants to roast a breadfruit. Because look here, I know you can't do it like how I do it, but hello, me I go to the roast my breadfruit when it's not at Jamaica, you know. But this is for you all. I did it to show you. I want you to have this. This is, I know you're gonna embrace this. I know, free, because you know that black thing there, it is never normal. It's not so enticing, you know. Worse when you don't understand how to peel it. Not true. So there you have it. I've showed you what you have not seen in this video. We are gonna leave the link to the unwrapped one on the stove top in the description. Look at the burner that it was done on. It's all clean. That's the beauty of it. So from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your, wherever in the world, to my Jamaican family who have never tried this before, it is successful. It can be done. Okay, please do enjoy. Now today's post notification shout out goes to Charmaine Martin. I'm sorry, Charmaine Martin, thank you so much for being a part of the Jamaican cooking journey. And me did I call Melissa name because I have to give a shout out to my Jamaican girl, Melissa. We met you, my camera girl, we met you on Tuesday at Quartz Jamaica Limited's Constant Spring Road to be exact. She said, Wulande, Miss Debbie, Wulande. Hey. Big up yourself. Manners and respect, Melissa. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments below. Principled and decent, thank you so much. I know you'll embrace this. And remember that our donation button is back up on our channel. Thank you so much for those of you who have already donated, who are in the process of donating, and who will be donating in the future. Thank you so much. We welcome, we appreciate your donations. Doesn't matter the amount. Thank you so much. Debbie from Dongayad, bless. This was no stress.